Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Silverware Basket Lid. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Silverware Basket Lid. The Silverware Basket Lid is part of the Silverware Basket. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull out the lower dish rack. There's two of these Silverware Basket Lids on the Silverware Basket. They're both changed out the same way. All you have to do is lift up on the lid, and then we're going to flex it so the pin comes out. Once you have this side out, we just have to pull out the other side. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the dishwasher. Here's the old Silverware Basket Lid next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Silverware Basket Lid in, we're just going to line it up and push the pin in. And then we're going to flex this side so we can put the pin in on this side. Once you have the pin in, you can close the lid, push the lower rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.